Hey everybody, Blue from Blue Outside here, and in this video I am freeze drying a wild edible. So first off, disclaimer, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a herbologist, I'm not a scientist in any other kind of way, so this is for entertainment purposes only. You do your own research. Do your own research. In today's video, I'm freeze drying Mullein. Stay with me. I'm going to freeze dry some Mullein leaves. I've had these in the freezer. I've washed them off. They are crunchy. We're going to discard this because it's the stem. Mullein is a wild edible, and it is good for like lung health. You can smoke it, or you can drink it in tea, or you can even just put this stuff in a paper bag and inhale it that way. So I'm going to try to freeze dry some tea. It'll probably just crumble up and make powder, but we'll just give it a go. Had it in the freezer, just trying to preserve it until I could get to the video. It's for lung health. It's been known to help with lung infections, whatever. So I want to freeze dry it for teas, and you know, maybe it'll last obviously longer that way. It's got multiple uses. One, always do your own research. Don't take my word for it. It is also probably a good toilet paper alternative because it's real. This is real soft and fuzzy. Can you hear it? Yeah. So I had, I don't know, 5 or 6 leaves that I took off of a plant, and I am going to freeze dry that and see how that turns out. So stay with me. Alright everybody, Mullein is done. Again, like I said, it's a wild edible. Do your own research, do your own education on this thing. So I've done mine, but I don't want you to take my word for it. So you have to do your own research. You have to look for this plant on your, get multiple resources that are, that are proven, and just be like, okay, I'm giving you the idea. Hey, go out there and look for this, freeze dry it. Now we got something we can make a tea out of. So it's all crumbly. Still got the little furry filling to it because it was real nice and soft. So my game plan is, I have one of those little silver tea things where you put the tea in there and let it soak in the water, or you can buy these reusable or one-time use, I think they are, tea bags. So you can do that, or you can just like French press it, strain it out yourself. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in the smallest Mylar bag I had, 1 quart. So I'm going to try to portion it out as evenly as possible, seal them up. I got a couple friends I'm going to give them to so they can try playing dominoes with my Mylar bags here. So that's the game plan there. Again, it's Mullein. I'm going to put the spelling of it right here. I've probably done it several times in the video already at this point because this is the next day later. Yeah. So I've made my own tea that's good for apparently lung issues. So there we go. Hey everybody, I appreciate you watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.